gotta get a 1" for this braided line. That's come off. I got the sensor off. I bought one with the new hardware on there, so I do want to change the wiring right here on the alternator. Gonna need a new AC compressor right there. I just got a new compressor right here. I gotta make sure I get those off. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts, a sensor, the governor right there. Gotta take that off. Take the return oil off while I'm back there. Replace those lines. I might get somebody else to do that. So then I'll wait on the air tanks, because that's, you can tell that's where the oil coming from. All right there on ECU. Stop recording.